Hello everybody, Richard here, and I got a 2011 Chevy Cruze that I'm going to be showing you how to program a key for if you don't already have one. I just picked this car up not too long ago. It did only come with one key, which has been a pain in the ass because I could not figure out how to program a new key. I looked at everything online. I tried every little tutorial and fix, and nothing was working. And I went to a locksmith here in town. He cut me two new keys with electronics that I got off of Amazon, which I will put the link for in the description. And he told me exactly how to do this. He's a great dude. He said, why spend all this money? I'll just tell you how to do it yourself, and it's easy. And it cost me $20 for the key cutting, and then about $27 for the actual keys themselves. It's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it here. So what's going to happen if you're in my situation, for example, is when you go to turn your key on, it's going to be in theft protection mode, which there's a little light right here that just goes out now that I've programmed a key, but that's theft protection mode, and that basically locks your car out so you can do everything except for start it. What you got to do to program a new key, let's say you went to the locksmith or whatever, you got your new key cut, you're ready to go. You're going to put it into the ignition, turn it to ignition. You're not going to start the car. You're just going to sit here for 10 minutes, and you have to do this 3 times. So set a timer. In 10 minutes, the little light there that has a little car and a lock, it's going to go out, and then you're going to turn the car off, and you're going to wait 2 to 3 seconds. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. You can turn it on, do the same thing again. Do not start the car, just turn it to ignition. Same thing's going to happen. Your theft protection system is going to have the light on, and it's going to say here, service your theft protection system. You're going to wait 10 more minutes, and you have to make sure that you're sitting here when that 10 minutes is up, because when it's up, that light goes out, and you have 1 minute to do the next part, which is, again, turn it off, don't take the key out, just wait a couple seconds, and then turn it back on. This is the 3rd time. This should be your last time if you've done this correctly. You're going to sit here, you're going to wait 10 minutes. At the end of that 10 minutes, that little theft protection light is going to blink. And then you're going to turn it off, remove the key, wait 5 seconds, put it back in, and when it turns on, that theft protection light is going to go out, and it's not going to say service theft protection system anymore. It's really that simple. I tried all these little fixes and stuff online that I found, and nothing seemed to work. I do apologize. I look I look kind of crappy right now. It is 9 million degrees in the car. I've got the door closed as well because I'm trying to, keep the outside noise down. But that's how you do it. If it takes you more than half an hour, you've done something wrong and you need to try it again. Tips: it takes 10 minutes each cycle. When the light goes out, you have 1 minute to turn the car off, wait a couple seconds and turn it back on. Just pay attention to it. Set a timer and pay attention to it, and you'll be fine, and you'll be done. And that's it. If you don't have any working keys, this is how you program new keys to your Chevy Cruze. Again, this is a 2011. I'm assuming that this process works for more than just this car. It probably works for a lot of GM cars, but I don't know specifically. Try it out. This should work like a charm. If it doesn't, you've probably got bigger problems that I can't help you with. I'm not a locksmith, but I did get help from one. So hope that helps. Hope that helps you guys. If it does, let me know in the comments or give it a thumbs up or whatever you want. I'm going to be doing some more stuff to this car. I'm going to make little tutorials and things like that as I go along. Next thing to do is probably going to be to put a cold air intake. At some point, I'm going to need to do a head gasket replacement, and also going to be installing new suspension down the road. So this is going to be a little fun car in a commuter back and forth to work, because it gets way better gas mileage than the truck. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one.